change the border and the orientation.
Go.
To change the border, you will going to press and hold it. And you will going to choose if you want your border to be long or short. And if you decided to be short, then you can put it in here, so it will become short. After that, release it, and after you release, it will automatically change the border of the document area.
Go.
Next, how to change the orientation. To change the orientation, you need to click the page layout. After you click the page layout, you click the orientation. After you click the orientation, you will choose if you want it portrait or landscape. Then if you decided to landscape, then click the landscape.
Go.
After you click the landscape, it will automatically change the orientation of the document area. And that's how to change the orientation. Thank you for watching.